Okay, for this video we're going to be talking about a little bit of pre-season baler maintenance that needs to be done each year on John Deere round balers, and that's replacing the belt lace pins for wear. This is a new pin that I have here in my hand that you can see has no wear. And then this pin here that I have has come out of a baler that has had 500 bales run through it, and you can see the wear patterns on it. Now what happens on these if you don't change these out on a yearly basis is these will break into little sections, and then if you have trouble with the belt, the only thing that you can do is cut the lacing on the belt, and you have to have the belt relaced by a service technician. So it's very important that we replace these each year. To do this, it's fairly simple. We're going to set the lock on our gate so it doesn't open all the way up, and then we're going to start the tractor and use the PTO to let the baler rotate until some of our laces get around to the front of the baler. So now we'll engage the PTO and we'll watch the front of the baler until one of our laces gets to the tension bar. So once they'll get some belt laces around in front, almost up to your tension bar, we'll stop the PTO and we'll use the hydraulics on the tractor to raise our tension arm to take pressure off the belts, and now we should be able to get that pin out of the baler very easily. So once you've got the old pin out, we're going to start the new pin back in. One end's beveled just a little bit. Take our hammer, drive it up until a little bit of it sticking out each end. Now we go back to our tractor, let our tension arm down, turn our PTO on, rotate our baler until we get one of our laces on our next 4 belts up until we get all 6 pins changed. And that's how you go about changing the belt pins.